Welcome to IRS Form 940 and unemployment. So first, let's talk about what we're going to review today. So first, we're going to talk about FUTA basics and really understanding what is subject to FUTA taxation, what is not, what things have changed within the tax law that you need to be concerned about in regards to what used to be included or what used to be excluded and now is not. We're going to talk about understanding the FUTA tax rate and really understanding, the credits and how come I don't get a credit but someone else does and all those kinds of things. We're going to talk about depositing FUTA tax. So when should you deposit versus when report? It is two separate times. We want to make sure that you are aware of what those are. Then we're going to go into Form 940. So we're going to understand basics of the Form 940. So what do you need to understand from a basics perspective? Changes to the Form 940. So there's been changes in 2018 that you need to be aware of. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about some common mistakes. So what are those common mistakes that come up a lot of times that the IRS has reported? And then we'll talk about FUTA and state unemployment taxes. So what's the interaction between those two types of taxes? Why is how you pay your federal taxes have an impact on your state rates and how all of that works? We're going to talk about some recent changes and updates to state unemployment that you need to be aware of as well. And then at the end, we will have a brief segment for question and answers.